Hi everyone, welcome back. So I just show you how to fill numbers in series starting from 1 onwards. Sometimes you might not want to fill the numbers in that order. You might want probably even numbers, odd numbers, multiples of 3, multiples of 10 or something of that sort. So let me show you how to do that. For that, you don't have to press just one number. You have to press at least two. So let's take the odd numbers for instance. Odd numbers, we have 1, we have 3. These are the first two odd numbers we have. So I've pressed these first two. You can press 3, you can press 4 of them or any number you want, but 2 can do. So I'm just going to maintain these two. Then I'm going to highlight both of them. I'm going to highlight them. Then I'm going to bring my mouse cursor. This time, the down number. So I'm going to put it on the little dots over there. Then it's going to turn into the same shape, which is the plus. And I'm going to press and hold the left mouse button, and I'm going to drag over. Automatically, I have my numbers filled in series, and that is odd numbers. The same way, if I want even numbers, I'm going to press 2, then I'm going to come here and I'm going to press 4. Then I'm going to highlight both of them. Then I put my mouse cursor here, then I drag over. I've gotten my even numbers. Maybe you want multiples of 5. So here I'm going to press 5. I'm going to press 10, and then I'm going to highlight both of them, and I'm going to place my mouse cursor here, and then I'm going to drag over. So any series you want to fill, either it's multiples of 10, multiples of 15, anything you just want, just press the first two at least, and then highlight both of them together, and then drag over. You're going to get it filled automatically for you. Thank you.